Do you want to feel more energized, lose weight, and improve your overall health? What if I told you that there's a simple and effective way to achieve all of this? Introducing the power of intermittent fasting. We've been told for years that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But what if I told you that skipping breakfast could be better for your health? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. It's not a diet, but rather a pattern of eating. During the fasting periods, you don't consume any calories, but you can drink water, tea, or coffee without sugar or cream. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can help you lose weight, especially belly fat, which is associated with many health problems. It can also improve your physical performance and endurance, making it a popular eating pattern among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Intermittent fasting can also reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key driver of many chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Fasting has also been shown to have positive effects on the brain, improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurological disorders. And the best part? Intermittent fasting is easy to incorporate into your lifestyle, and it doesn't require any special equipment or expensive supplements. To get started with intermittent fasting, simply choose an eating pattern that works for you. You can start with a 12-hour fasting period and gradually increase to 16 or 18 hours. And remember, getting enough sleep is also important for your health, as it can help regulate your appetite hormones and improve your overall well-being. So what are you waiting for? Try intermittent fasting today and experience the many benefits for yourself. Let's take a closer look at some of the benefits of intermittent fasting. One of the most significant benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. When you fast, your body burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This can lead to a reduction in body fat, especially in the abdominal area. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can also help regulate your appetite hormones, making it easier to control your calorie intake and avoid overeating. Intermittent fasting can also improve your metabolic health, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity. This is because fasting helps lower blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, which are two of the main risk factors for developing diabetes. In addition to improving metabolic health, intermittent fasting can also reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Fasting has been shown to activate a cellular repair process called autophagy, which removes damaged cells and promote the growth of new ones. This can help prevent age-related diseases and improve overall health and well-being. Intermittent fasting can also help you stay hydrated and improve digestive health. By drinking water and other non-caloric beverages during the fasting period, you can keep your body hydrated and reduce the risk of constipation and other digestive problems. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is increased mental clarity and focus. Fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. And finally, intermittent fasting can also improve your mood and emotional well-being. Fasting has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression and improve overall quality of life. So, as you can see, there are many benefits to incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. It's an easy and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. To get started with intermittent fasting, simply choose an eating pattern that works for you and stick with it. It may take some time to adjust, but with patience and persistence, you'll soon reap the many benefits of this eating pattern. And remember, it's important to combine intermittent fasting with a healthy, balanced diet. Add regular exercise to maximize the benefits and maintain long-term health and wellness. So why not give intermittent fasting a try today? Your body and mind will thank you for it.